Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For this video we are revamping two wall decor pieces and giving them a glam new look. If you are new here, welcome and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We appreciate all the support and positive feedback we received on our channel, and we're glad everyone's enjoying our passion for home decor. The first DIY will be this boat wall decor. We had this for some time and we're going to throw it away, but we decided to glam it up. I don't remember which store I bought this from. I had it for a few years. I first spray painted it silver. I got the spray paint from Home Depot. This silver spray paint is my favorite. It gives a nice shiny finished look. It is very inexpensive. The link will be left in the description box below. I got these adhesive chain links from our local Dollar Tree. I was surprised when I found these gems and I knew it would go perfect with my project. I'm going to place gems in different areas on the boat. I didn't want to cover the whole boat with gems, and I will be using hot glue to secure them. is the end result, and it didn't take much time to create, and it turned out stunning. I placed this in our sitting area in our home, but this can be used anywhere in the house. The second DIY project is an old picture frame that I didn't want to get rid of, so I ended up changing the design inside the frame. I first removed the picture from the frame and spray painted it white. I'll be using mirrors to place over the original picture, and I'll be using the E6000 glue to secure them. I made sure not to put too much glue because I didn't want to have much spillage when I placed the mirror down on top of the picture. I cleaned up any glue that did spill out after I placed the mirrors down. We got these round mirrors from our local Dollar Tree. I have not seen them restocked since we last purchased, but these mirrors come in so handy for DIY projects. If you see them, grab them up because they go fast. There are stickers on the back of the mirror, but I used a knife to remove them. I got this bling wrap from Amazon. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. I'm going to place this bling wrap around the edges of the mirror. After I finished this first design, I wasn't 100% satisfied, so I decided to create a second design. So here's the second design that I created. I placed 2 more round mirrors on top of the base mirror and added some more bling wrap down the center. And then I added a different type of bling wrap around the edge, and I will have that linked in the description box below as well. When using this bling wrap, it's best to put the glue onto the wrap so you know how to distribute the glue properly and it won't seep through. I spray painted the frame using the same silver spray paint. And here's the finished design. If you look at the before and the after, it's a complete 360. It is absolutely stunning. I posted this boat on our Instagram page and we got a lot of DMs and likes, so we decided to make this video today. Follow us on our Instagram. We post a lot of home decor content. As always, thank you so much for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave us a comment, let us know if you like this design, and as always, stay safe and may God bless. If you like this video, check out some of our other videos on our channel.